Good afternoon everybody and welcome back to the channel. Now we're still down Portsmouth, still in the historic dockyard. I was going to go home and come back a different day, but we decided to film one more thing here and then that means we haven't really got to come back. So we're going to go in and film Boathouse No. 4, and I think it's a little bit historical inside, but anyway, we'll see what it's about together. So let's get in and have a look. That's what the building looks like from the outside, and just as you come in through the entrance, if you go straight ahead, this is the first building you actually see. And the entrance is just over by here. Let's go have a little looky. So that's a couple of things they sell in their shop. Interesting. Row, row, row your boat gently round the way out.
It's telling you you're going too fast.
Really?
Well, that one's working, that one's not. Look.
Ooh. PHQ. There is a restaurant and bar I can see upstairs in here. Coastal motorboats. Torpedo boats. It's interesting.
What you think?
Is that a rocket boat? I bet that is super fast. And that's pretty cool. So it looks like it's basically a workshop where they restore the boats. We can go upstairs and get a bird's eye view. I don't think it's going to be an awful lot to see here. From this angle it looks like there's a torpedo on the boat. That's exactly what the back of it looks like. So I don't know what historical value these boats have, but they must have some to be in here being restored. But now we can go up the steps and see what we can see from up top. Obviously this is completely free to get into. I say free, you got to pay to get into the dockyard itself, so technically you've paid for it. So there's another one of those boats that we saw in the water below, but this one doesn't look restored at all. I'm working on the boats down there, on the old jigs and stuff. Just a cannon casually dangling from the bottom of a boat, as they do. So it served as HMS Fearless during the 1982 Falklands War. Oh wow. I'll be honest, I wasn't expecting that in here. I don't know what they are. All types of netting or rigging. So there is a bit of history in here, although I didn't expect it. But you know, if that's the boats they've got up top hanging around, it does make me wonder what the history is on the ones down below. Sadly we can't obviously walk around them because it's an active workshop, but maybe one day people will be able to view them. There's a little dinky one by here and it's actually called Dainty.
What's this one?
Built on the Isle of Wight in 1951. Well, she sure is dainty. And over by there is the little, I assume, cafe, although it does say restaurant and bar on the outside. And all along this wall is all historic photographs. Women during the war, servicing some of the ships, even building ships by there by the looks. I don't know why it took world wars for us to put women in positions, but the world was so backwards back then, I suppose. I don't know where we'd be without the women during the wars. I think the war effort would have ground to a complete halt. And look. Quite difficult to get some of these on camera because they are quite high up the wall. So this is in munitions factory by the looks of it. Up the top there, carting them around. There's a bit of brilliant history in here just on these photos alone. Brilliant. I'm glad I came in here just for them. So this one's only going to be a short video due to actually not being able to go and look around most of it. But it's a brilliant little place and they should continue the work they're doing. Well done to them. So there we go guys, that was Boathouse No4. I'd recommend coming in here just to see those photos. You know, it's our history, isn't it? So please like, comment and subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye for now.